Your body, think got us going crazy. off and back, baby. She like a ride slave, and we was only in the elevator. Hope her mind is right, cause the look is major. When women don't wanna, I make them pay them. Make it feel like I'm doing them a favor, give them an ultimatum. Cause rule ain't no rest haven. I'm horrible like Wes Craven. If you consider the whole, baby, I can't save you. What I could do for you goes without saying. Not saying that I want us to be Nathan, baby. I don't want you to think that I'm ungrateful, baby. Especially when you work that body for me in the club and all eyes is on you. We don't need to talk money cause my mind is on it. Besides, baby, you know what I want. Baby, it's your body, 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 can't complain. It's the thing that make us say, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, it's your body, body, your body, that got us going crazy, girl, I got your body.
I'm taking women home.
Sleeping with them, then I can
I'm checking from the go.
ride around 6 a.m. and
I'm trying to sleep it go.
cause I'm riding this too early.
Too early in the morning.
I gotta get up, get dressed, I'm fresh, so fly. I'm only here for the night, baby, tomorrow's LA. The next week is MIA, round the world and back again. It's me. Love the way I hit it.